Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-An'am and ayah number 114 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفغير الله أبتغي حكما. A very sharp sound of a top on your jaws. The sound is short. F, give hums whenever you see fa. In any state you are giving hums. For top on your jaws, the sound is short. Ghoin is heavy. And for fatha, open your jaws and attach it. Yeah, this is lean. So you are making it soft when you are attaching fatha with yeah. Goi, roll. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. And lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Raw and lafz jalala is long by default. He for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ab hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa qalqala. This qalqala should be very clearly done. Should not lower your voice. The sound is sharp and clear. Abit, abit, ta is very sharp up top on jaws. Ghain is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Ha from your throat with hums for top on jaws. Ka for top on your jaws. The sound is short. Mau. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Huwa makhraj of pause. Circling your lips for top on your jaws. The sound is short. Who for the circular lips, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of pause. Circling your lips for top on jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip up the wasud. La for top on jaws, the sound is short. The makhraj of the should be nicely engaged when you are touching the upper part of tip of your tongue to the frontal two teeth. This is the right makhraj of dal. The and make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is sharp and this ikhfa is light because za is among light letters. So how you will do it? You will keep the gunna in your nose. You are hiding the sound of noon. You're preparing your mouth to say the letter za. Za. So your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of za. Zala. Za. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. E. For kasra, give e sound and the sound is very sharp. Lean. So you're making it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Ku for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip up the wasut. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta 2 counts long. Ba for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Fas for fatha upon jaws attached with sod, so it will get sip up for a khawa. And it has safir and it is heavy. Sa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short and heavy. La mad you are exchanging the sound of tanween into long vowel. So this is awad. You are exchanging. Awad means to exchange. So you are exchanging one sound to another. Well, makhraj of waw circle in your lips. Fatha open jaws attached with lam. Well, la. Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na. Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp, make it 2 counts long. Tai. Ta is sharp. The sound should be sharp. And when you are attaching fatha with ya, you're giving lean because this is a lean letter. Tai, na, 2 counts long. Who for the circle lips. Mul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta, 2 counts long. Ba for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Yeah. Yeah is soft. For fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sip out the wasut. and it should be from your throat. La for fatha upon jaws. Mu for dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. An hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws, attach it. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Hu for dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Mu for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Naz for fatha upon jaws attached. Zaza will get sifa of rukhawa, and it has a feel and it is light. Naz, nazza for fatha with fatha, the sound is short. Lum idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because it has akmal gunna. Lum mi for kasra sorry, and now this meme is attached with ra. Me will be light, but as you will touch ra, your sound should be heavy. Mir ra, and ra will get tawassut and then attach with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. The makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Rabbi for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and light. Bil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Now will get sifa of tawassut. Haqqa. Ha from your throat with hams for fatha upon jaws attached with qaf. First qaf will get shidda, but there should not be any gap in the pronunciation of the next qaf, which has qalqala. At the end, last qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala should be very clearly done. Haqqa, bil haqqa. Fa, fa. Give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Ku, for dhamma circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Nan, for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ni, for kasra give e sound. Nal, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. Ta, ta is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Reen. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon, and ra will be light here because there is kasra on it. Reen, and give the wasut on noon at the end because it is with sukoon now. أفغير الله أبتغي حكما وهو الذي أنزل إليكم الكتاب مفصلا والذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعلمون أنه منزل من ربك بالحق فلا تكونن من الممترين وتمت مخرج فوق. Circling your lips of a top on jaws. Ta is sharp of a top on jaws attached with mim. You will get some sifa of kunna, and kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mat for a top on jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Ka, ka is sharp. The sound of ka is very clear for fatha upon jaws. Ka, li for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tu for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Here it is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda, and shidda is the cut of sound. Rabbi for kasra give e sound. With kasra, it is the sound is very light. Bi ka for fatha upon jaws. Slid, sad is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala should be very clear. It should not be light. It should not be thought otherwise. Sleed. Qaf is heavy. And this iqfa, this idgham is with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is idgham. Qawwa, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ad, ain should be very clearly from your throat. Ad, and give qalqala very clear sound. Ad, la, 2 counts long. This is mad. You are exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel. La, 2 counts long. Mu, for the circle ellipse. Bad, ti, mu, bad. For fatha upon jaws attached da, dal will get sif of shidda. The sound will be cut off very abruptly. Bad, di, for kasra give e sound. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Li, for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ka, kaf is light, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Li, for kasra give e sound attached with for kasra give e sound, and it is very light sound. Li, ma, sorry, ka, li, ma, 2 counts long. Ti, for kasra give e sound, and the sound with ta is very sharp attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa because it is with sakoon now because of this fa. ومخرج الواو circling your lips ففتح open jaws. Who for the circle your lips, the sound is short. Was ففتح open jaws attached. Seen will get sifa upper khawa. It has safir and it is light. Was ففتح open jaws, the sound is short. Me, 2 counts long. Ul, ain from your throat. For the circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut, and as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lim. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon on meme. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. وتمت كلمة ربك صدقا وعدلا لا مبدل لكلماته وهو السميع العليم وإن تطع ومخرج الفاء circling your lips فتح open jaws. Hamza is sharp or kasra give e sound. Then it has ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So you're hiding the sound of noon, but you are preparing your mouth to say the letter of ta. So you should be ready saying this ta. Tu. Ta is very sharp sound for the circle lips. Ta is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut, and ain should be from your throat very nicely. وَإِن تُطِعْ Tu, ta is light. This second is heavy. Ak, Hamza is sharp. Fatha open jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Tha, for fatha open jaws. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ma, this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So the other name of ikhfa is gunna. So the most important part of ikhfa is gunna. So make sure you are keeping the sound in your nose. Ma fil for kasra give e sound attached. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Aru, Hamza is very sharp. Fatha upon jaws attached. Ra will get sifa of the wasut, and it is heavy. Dad is heavy for kasra give e sound. U for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Dil for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut. Lu for dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Kaf is light for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, and you are hiding the sound of noon. You are going towards the makhraj of seen. You are preparing your mouth to say the letter sin. As. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short with fatha. B, 2 counts long. Lillah. Lafz jalala will be light here because there is kasra before it, and because of this waqf we are giving temporary sukoon here on ha. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. E. Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound. And there is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yet, yeah is light. For fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of shitta. The makhraj of ta will cut off the sound. Yet, ta. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. V. For kasra, give E sound. Ru. Ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. Na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Il. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Law. Lam is light and short. It is not anymore long. And then you are attaching it. Dha. Dha will be heavy and it will get rakhawa. And yes. Illaw. This is rakhawa. This rakhawa is flow of sound, so it should be heard very nicely. This is sound, so the sound is louder than the breath, right? So illa one fatha upon jaws attach it. Noon will get sipaf gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws. In for kasra, give E sound attached with noon will get sipa of idhar. The ruling is idhar and sipa is tawassut. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme. Meme will get sipa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Il hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sipa of tawassut. La 2 counts long. Yah for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it has yes, it is heavy. Yeah, ru, ru. Ra is heavy for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Soon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. But make sure when you are making any letter long, it should not go into your nose because mad is pronounced from your jawf, not from your nose. Jawf is the vacuum of mouth. وإن تطع أكثر من في الأرض يضلوك عن سبيل الله إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن هم إلا يخرصون. In Hamza is sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is sakmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Rab. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. For fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. The sound will be cut off abruptly. Rab. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ka. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu. For dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Uwa. Makhraj of waw circling your lips. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain should be from your throat and it should have the wasut. La. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mu. For dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. May. For fatha upon jaws and there is an idgham. This idgham is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. May. Yeah. For fatha, the sound is short and ya is light. Will. God is heavy. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And dod, keep dod heavy. Will. Lu. Lu. For dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short with dhamma. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, and this ikhfa is light. So you are hiding the sound of noon. You are preparing your mouth to say the letter seen. As for fatha upon jaws. B, 2 counts long. Li. Focus to give E sound attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa because this is with sukoon now because of the bak. Li. Hua, makhraj of pause, circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Who, for the ma circle your lips, the sound is short. Hua, makhraj of pause, circling your lips for fatha open jaws. For fatha open jaws. Hamza, the sound of Hamza is very sharp attached with the ain. Ain will get zip up the wasut and ain should be from your throat. La, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Mu, for the ma circle your lips, the sound is short. Bil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get zip up the wasut. Mu. For Dhamma, circle your lips attached with ha. As you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position and ha will get sipa up. Rakhawa. Ta, very sharp sound. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Deen. Because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad adat lis sukoon. إن ربك هو أعلم من يضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين. F, give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ku, for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Lu, for the ma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Mim, for kasra, give e sound attached with mim, you will get sipa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. Zu, for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Ki, for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short and light. Ras, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. For fatha upon jaws attached with sin, sin will get sifa of rakhawa, and it has safi and it is light. Rasmul, me for keep meme light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Mullah, lafz jalala is always 2 counts long. He, for kasra give e sound. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay, this is lean, so make it soft while you are attaching fatha with ya. He, for kasra give e sound. In, for kasra give very sharp e sound. And then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so you are hiding the sound of noon. You are preparing your mouth to say letter kaf. In can you feel the difference between the makhraj of kaf and the makhraj of ta? Sorry, the ikhfa of kaf with ikhfa with kaf letter kaf and the ikhfa with letter ta. In kuntum. So be careful that the ikhfas are different with every letter because the makhraj is different. So according to the makhraj, the ikhfa will be changed. Okay. In kuntum. This is ikhfa shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose because it has gunna. Tumbi. For kasra give e sound. 2 counts long and hamza is sharp, but jof is soft. The sound with long vowel will be soft. Yeah, is soft. Make it 2 counts long. T, for kasra give e sound. The sound is sharp. He, 2 counts long. Mu, for the ma circle lips attached with hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound. Mu, midin. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad'arat lis sukoon. فكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه فكلوا مما ذكر اسم الله عليه إن كنتم بآياته مؤمنين. I did it slowly because to show you what's going on in the ayat, but you should keep your recitation in a normal pace, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.